Namaskara, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and vlog. So, I'm starting this vlog by vlogging the gym part of it, gym Honteni. And after I reached gym, I did weights today. And after doing that, it was probably the lower body, and then I'm doing treadmill. I'm working out on it, so it's fun. I like doing it. Came home, did some shoki with curly hair, and then the next day, it's my school friends' reception. So, all of us met and we were there for this occasion. It felt so good and nice. I can't believe that people are getting married. Like, seriously, it is so crazy. And this is a little short of the journey. All of my friends are over here, and we were laughing and having a really good time. Came back home also pretty late, but I had the best time over here. Hey guys, what's up? Today is Friday. It's actually a holiday for my clients, but my company here is working, so I'm also working. In 8 o'clock आ गई थी, so actually logged out as well after my work today. So a little catch up on the last couple of days. I messed up very badly at work because my mind was not in the current work mode sort of a thing, and everything kind of went haywire and south. But luckily my TL was there and he handled it out, and things are okay now. But it's just that yesterday was my dad's mom, my grandmom's first year death anniversary, and I don't know, the day started pretty low, and I was just trying to figure it all out. Apart from that, the previous day was my school friend. It was his reception, so I had been there. I met all my school friends. It was so much fun. We relived our school memories. I think I already put a clip in the vlog of me just shooting all of them when we are actually commuting to the marriage hall, and it was cool. There was a little bit of traffic. We also kind of missed the spot, as in we put in the wrong location, and we ended up going to one place, but that was not the one. Then we again had to like put in the right location and reach. It was nice. I met my school friends almost after 9 years. Although we've been on touch on all the social media platforms, but meeting them like face to face happened after 9 freaking years. And everyone kind of have the essence of the school days. Like, they're all basically kind of same, but they just grew up and they don't look like how they used to, which is obvious. And yeah, it was a really nice night and evening, and I can't believe that people are all getting married and time is just flying. So that's what happened that day, and it was also very beautiful. I like the decor of the place, my friend's wedding, that is. There were beautiful flowers, and the food was also very nice. I liked everything about it. It was a great day. I don't know why I did it. I just gave in to my cravings. I normally don't, I do give in to my cravings sometimes, but it's definitely reduced a lot since the last couple of weeks. So before, I used to feel more like, I'm giving in to sweet and junk food, but after a while of going to the gym consistently, I felt much better and I did not do that. But this week again, my consistency has dropped significantly, and I'm feeling like really low again. So it's fine. I just gave in today. I had a juice. Actually, it was a milkshake and a juice, so there were two things, both of mango flavored. And I also had ice cream today, after many months, because usually I used to have ice cream at least one time, once in 2 months or once in 3 months, very easily. But from the last few months, I did not have it, and today was that day when I was really craving ice cream, and I went ahead and ordered and had one scoop of it. It was vanilla with a little bit of chocolate and some peanuts on top of it. Peanut still happens to be my favorite form of snacky food, I would say. It gives a nice crunch and taste, so I kind of have a lot of peanuts. If you have seen my vlogs, my short videos, you will know. So that was about today, and I also missed my workout today. I think I am just trying to say that it's just that phase of my week where I'm actually feeling low, and I don't know, it's just going on. Crazy part, even after, like, at work, when I messed up, I actually did one crazy thing. So I was talking to my best friend yesterday on phone call, and I decided I'll go watch a movie. And I realized after the like during the call I booked the tickets for the movie, but after the call I realized I booked the tickets for the wrong date. And it was so crazy because I am somebody who never does that, at least in terms of movie tickets, because you actually check the date, time, location, price, number of seats, all of that stuff. But I don't know what happened yesterday. Everything I selected correctly except for the date, it kind of defaulted to the wrong date, and it was like a mess. And then later I had to cancel it and rebook the tickets again, and that was okay, I guess. So these are the things that's happening like without my knowledge, like it's going very crazy. Apart from that, things are okay. And yeah, that's pretty much the update for now. I will see you guys soon, very soon, in the next segment of the vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Watching a YouTube video by Miles here. It's her vlog. I love watching her content because it's very authentic and inspirational, and I keep looking forward for this. Right now, it's like I woke up pretty early compared to the other Saturdays, which is a good thing. I gotta like just go and catch up with the rest of the day, figure things out. A couple of things to do is journaling, and I also want to meditate. There's this technique to meditate wherein you breathe in 5 seconds, hold it 5 seconds, the breath, and breathe out 5 seconds. It's like a box breathing sort of a thing. So I'm going to try that out because I feel like I'm stressed at work, or otherwise it's just my stress levels are on the higher side, as in it's not high, it's just like moderately high sort of a thing. I don't even know if I'm making sense right now, but what I'm trying to say is the stress levels needs to come down, because in that way I'm not able to function well and my mind goes into a brain fog. Bangalore traffic and the summer heat, both of them, the combination is very deadly. I'm used to the traffic, but the heat, it's really too much. But I reached the place here, it's Orion Mall, meeting my best friend after a long time, and we're watching a movie together. So first time I'm seeing the mall this empty, guys, so I just thought I'll take a shot of this place. It looks beautiful. I mean, see, no crowd, no people, awesome, just me and the place. I'm right on time to watch a movie today at Orion Mall. It's a weekend, so my friend's coming and we're watching the movie together. This is where we're at, and we're going into the gold 4DX. So I have watched a couple of 4DX movies and also gold class movies, so this should be fun. ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ದೇವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೂವಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ರೆಟ್ರೋ ಮೂವೀಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಚೇರು ಐತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ರಾಯಲ್ ವೈಬ್. ನನಗಂತೂ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಸೇರ್ತೈತಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಲೋ ಐತಿ, ವೈಬ್ ಚಲೋ ಐತಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇವ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಮಿರರ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಮೈ ಲೈನರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ for makeup, or it's actually pretty much a decor piece sort of a thing. Movie was very good. We both enjoyed this. So me and my best friend, we decided to grab something to drink because bhal hashwagittu. So we went to Starbucks, my favorite place, and I had an iced tea and she had coffee. It was very yummy and definitely delicious and nice. Adadmele we decided to go have lunch, and we went to Indranagar. We thought we'll go to Neon Market, which I had already been to and she hadn't, and we both had planned to, just go have food there. But once we got down from the metro station, right next to that metro station, there is a new Korean store that's opened. It's called Mini Good. I got a lot of stuff from there, so I'll be putting a video very soon on it. And then I met my best friend's dad, her aunt, and her cousin. We all were actually looking for a place for her cousin because she has shifted to Bangalore for some personal reasons and work purpose. So in the same lines, we decided to have lunch together. So Neon Market was on the mind and all of us agreed, and we decided we'll go there. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿಲ್ದಾಗ sun kissed wala feeling itkondu hodvi. And Neon Market has lately been one of my favorite brunch places because it's super healthy and extremely authentic and neon. So, yeah, you must have seen my previous vlog wherein I spoke all about it. It's my best friend's cousin in the background. She gave me this really cute look knowing that I'm actually vlogging, and also my best friend and auntie in the background as well. I also saw Harley Davidson, guys, and it was so awesome. It was rockingly awesome. And then now we're entering the cafe, and I asked for a table for 5 people, so they directed us to the next floor, which is upstairs. Upstairs, there's this beautiful seating area where, if you're like a large group of people, you can go and sit over there if it's not already, what do you say? If it's not already pre booked or something. So that was really cool. And from there on, I was just taking a small video of the shoes, and I also took a video of all the apparel that they have. My best friend was exploring the jeans section, and she picked up this beautiful jeans that you can see in the frame. It's a black one and it's a very good fitting one, especially on her. It was looking so good and fabulous. And I was really tempted to buy a t-shirt, but I didn't, because the reason why I like these t-shirts in the first place is because quality is great and it's all got like this extra loose, what do you call them, like a very, it's not the slim fit wala, it's not the regular fit as well. It's like a plus size wala vibe only you get with these t-shirts. And then we were just taking a small video of the washroom, which is the highlight of this place. It's got a Japanese cat and beautiful neon lights, also telling them how to use the tap here because it's kind of like really unique and cool. Disco vibe hai washroom mein. ऐसा लग रहा है कि you don't want to leave this place. So after a couple more selfies and pictures, we went to have food because food was calling. I had a sourdough bread with smoothie on the side, same as last time, and now it's time to leave for home. I never feel like leaving Indranagar because it's one of my favorite places. So I captured the sunset and I'm going back home now. Hi guys, it's the weekend and I'm going to meet mom and dad. Probably will be going out somewhere, and I'll also be meeting my granddad. And we'll be having a conversation today. Should be fun. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. Stay tuned. Bye. Mummy Papa jote uta ಮಾಡಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, and we spent a really good time together. The next day I washed my hair and I dysoned it. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕುಂತು ಹೇರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, but today mood ಇತ್ತು, so I just thought let's go for it. And cholo ಅನಿಸ್ತತಿ when you have a good hair day going on. Yeah, so this is pretty much the shot from that day. Hey guys, taking a minute to talk about this thing here. Got this really pretty fan from a store called Mini Good. I'll be putting a video very soon about the haul from that place, what all I got. But for now, this is the fan and it's so freaking cute. I love the color green and I went ahead and picked green. This has got really cute Mickey ears, and I also like the setting that it's got. It's got two settings. One, if you just click like this is setting number 1. Pretty decent airflow, and for setting number 2 I gotta click once more and then it just comes in. Given that it's the summer right now, like my room heats up quite a lot, that way it's a great investment. Only thing I'm a bit off about this is that it takes a lot of time to charge, almost 4 hours to 6 hours for a full charge, and there is no light which indicates that it's completely charged. I wish there was some kind of an indication which says full charged. And also the amount of time this thing lasts, it's pretty less, as in it stays for like 30 to 40 minutes at the max if you run it continuously. Previously I had this one here, and this is by the company Geotop, and it was what I got from Amazon, and I really love this fan. Only con is I can't change the angle at which it sits, so they've given stand for that, and I can't change this setting to make it in a way in which I can keep it, place it on my table, and it hits my face like the air and stuff. So in this case, this one here, you can do that because it actually bends. This one here just bends like that, and you can like tilt it, and then this part of it, this one right here, will sit on the table like that, and then this part actually you can change it as per the wind setting that you want. This thing wise, it's super good and nice. Only thing is the fact that I need to always charge. That's the only thing about this, but otherwise it's a great buy and I really like it. So apart from that, I'm working from home today and it's super freaking hot. I think I've kept saying this in all my vlogs. And yeah, this is my best friend now, my bottle. So I drink a lot of water these days because obviously it is summer, and this is also my gym bottle. I love this. It looks pretty bulky, but it's actually not. It hardly holds like 1.2 liters of water. So that thing wise, it's great. And yeah, I love Nike, so I went ahead and got this one. It's pretty sturdy and I love the color as well. I think I had options to buy blue, black and white, and when I got this I was like, let's buy white because it's a nice contrast, you know, like grayish black with white. I love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Trying to post a lot, trying to record a lot these days, but often it's like work or other things just pop in and then I'm not able to vlog much, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. And so stay tuned. That's it for now. Bye. Hey guys, it's 1:30 a.m. I did the ice face roller thing right now because it's so freaking hot, and trust me, I'm not able to sleep because of the summer heat. I went to bed at 10, okay, and I was able to sleep for 2 hours downstairs, and then again the light, the heat of everything coming together, it's just so difficult to sleep. But apart from that, I was watching a couple of YouTube videos and vlogs where people, because it's really fun to just like try to connect to people in that way. And I had a long day. I have a couple of trainings to finish and I've passed the deadline. I feel like I'm deadbeat, but I want to make it happen. So yeah, that's what I was thinking about right now. And even the steps goal, ever since I've started the healthy eating and the 6k steps per day challenge, it's kind of feeling like I'm really pushing myself so freaking hard, and I feel like the kind of goal I've made feels a little unrealistic, although it's not. People actually finish like 10k steps per day and they also make sure they eat healthy, but for me doing both together is kind of weighing me down. I feel it's like every day when I wake up I'm like I have to make it happen, but because of my work style and my sedentary sitting wala style, whatever you want to call it, the lifestyle and everything, it feels like 6k steps along with healthy eating is difficult. But I'm gonna keep myself going, which means to say I'm gonna push myself to do as much as I can. Oh, because of which even my reels and posts online have been like very inconsistent, but I'm gonna push myself. I think I said this a lot of times. I'm gonna keep reminding myself that I have to keep going and making it happen. So it's gonna be 1:35 now, and today is gonna be office day, so I'm just gonna try get more sleep. The sleep cycle is something which is very important to set the day, so getting the right amount of sleep in an optimal temperature, and even if it's like 6 to 7 hours of sleep, it needs to be continuous and rich, as in good sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna go focus on that. Sleep now, wake up, and then start my day. See you guys soon. Stay tuned in the vlog, and bye. Next day I was late to office. Idu madhyan time agati and bhadandra bhad traffic ittu, and Bislo was next level, like on its peak I would say. Although I'm pretty used to it now, but still each day feels very different, especially with traffic and the summer coming together. It's a very no vibe, but okay. Ride bhala smooth though because flyover male roads must madara, so that was a good plus point over here. Then I reached office, I swiped in, and lunch break ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಲಾಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ go to office and then connect back again. There was a munchie store that was there at office today, and ಇವ್ರು ಭಾರಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಲಡ್ಡೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಲಡ್ಡು, ಪೀನಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ಲದ ಲಡ್ಡು ಇತ್ತು, ದೆನ್ ಗೋಂದ್ ಲಡ್ಡು ಇತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ಗೋಂದ್ ಆಟ ಲಡ್ಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟುಕ್ ಪೀನಟ್ ಜಾಗ್ರಿ ಲಡ್ಡು ಮನೀಗ. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಶುಗರ್ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಜಾಗ್ರಿ. So that's a good thing. And I also took shenga chutney pudi maniga because it's my favorite. I think you already know by now. So my colleagues also purchased the gond ki laddu and peanut jaggery laddu as well. And yeah, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು, ಕುಂತು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅದರದ್ದು. ಕೇಮ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾದು ಭಾಳ ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಹತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಪ್ಪಾನ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ or if they like Kong. I personally like Godzilla and I would like to know what you like. So comment करके बताओ if you like Godzilla or Kong, and have you watched the movie Godzilla X Kong? With this, I'm ending this vlog. I hope you liked my vlog. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content, and let me know your favorite part. Lots of love and bye.